channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 5 simulation exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses and programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C Sharp, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today exam and go through it step by step. Our first question is sort the data first by category and then by course title, both in alphabetical order. First we select the category. Then go to the data tab. Then go to the sort. Click on sort tab. In the first text field you can select the category and then add next level, then add the course title, select and course title in both alphabetical order, then press OK. Question are completed now. The next is use the subtotal feature to sum the number of total resident sales, total non-resident sales and total sales by category. Then go to data table, then click on outline, then click on subtotal. The pop-up of subtotal are showing, then you can select the total resident and non-resident. First you can select the total resident, so first we select total resident sales, then select total non-resident sales, then press OK. Questions are completed now. Now move to the next question. Move the instructor field to the filters area and then filter the pivot table to display the totals for instructors Belka and Turner. On the right side, pivot table field, you can drag instructor and drop to the rows. And then filter the pivot table to display the totals for instructors Belka and Turner. Then click on filter, select multiple items, then only select Belka and Turner, select Belka and Turner, then press OK. You can see that the results are filtered now based on those. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Use the value field setting dialog box to type the custom names sales by category for the values. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. First we click on this cell, then right click, then type custom name sales by category, sales by category. You can see that this name are given in the question, sales by category. Then press OK and go to the home tab. You can select the format cells, then go to the home tab and accounting number format. Then this you can select the decimal places with 0 decimal place, then press OK. Then press OK. You can see that the accounting number format are applied and the 0 decimal places are also applied on this. The next part is type categories in cell A3. Go to cell A3, then type categories. Categories. We can remove this default label, row labels to categories. Categories. Then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Use the auto outline feature to group the columns. Use the auto line feature to group the column. First we select the outline and click on group, and click on auto outline, then press OK. Collapse the total sales. Our next question is collapse the total sales. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Remove the course title field from the pivot table. First we remove the course title field from the pivot table. If you have any trouble with your simulation exam, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. In the pivot table drop down, you can go to the column field, then select value and remove it. Our next question is move the instructor field to the row area below the category field. First we move the field instructor to the row area. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Copy the pivot table sheet positioned to the left of the pivot table. The copied sheet should be pivot table 2. First we right click on this sheet and go to the make a copy and go to the pivot table section, move a copy and press OK. We have moved this copy to the new sheet pivot table. On the pivot table 2 worksheet, create a clustered column pivot chart based on the pivot table. Basically in this question you will have to create a clustered column chart based on the pivot table. You can go to the chart section. The charts are available in the insert tab. Then click on the clustered column chart, then press OK. Our next question is change the chart type to pie. First go to the insert tab, then chart design, change the chart type to pie, click on pie chart, then click on this pie chart. Click on OK button. Our chart will be changed to pie chart. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Apply the pivot style light blue, pivot style medium 13 style to the pivot table. You can go to the design tab, Go to the pivot table style. You can select the pivot style light blue. Click on this. As you can see that this style are applied on the pivot table. After applying, you can see that pivot style light blue. Then press OK. You can see that the light blue color are applied on the pivot table. Apply branded rows to the pivot table. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Create a calculated field named instructor fees that multiplies total sales 1. Then go to the pivot table analyzer, then go to the field item and set drop down, click on this, then click calculated field, then go to the field, type its name instructor fees, and that multiplies the total sales. Then in the field click total sales, insert this field, then multiply with 0.1. Our next question is use the value field setting to type the custom name instructor fees. We'll go to the pivot table analyze and click on this and select. In the custom name you can write instructor fees for the calculated field. Then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 9. Add the instructor field to the column area. Go to the pivot table field, then add instructor field to the column area. You can drag the instructor and drop into the column field area. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. From within the data set on the seminar sales sheet, create a pivot table to add the data to the data model. You can click on the insert tab, then go to the pivot table, pivot table from pivot table or range, then insert the table range and press OK. You can see that you will have to add a new pivot table in this sheet. Display all tables within the pivot table field list and select the total sales from the courses table. And click on go to the pivot table field and display all table within the pivot table and select total sales from the course table. You can go to the courses, then drag the total sales to the course table. Question 10 are completed now. We have now completed 10 questions of this simulation exam. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exam. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching.